Are you looking for washing machine repair in Guildford? Then you need to call 0800 644 6227 or go to homeappliancerepairuk.co.uk right now. At Home Appliance Repair UK, we're all about making sure you get the fastest and cheapest repairs for your washing machine. These days, washing machines have all the bells and whistles put on them to make them more reliable. But statistics say that by the 5th year of owning a machine, up to 25% of people experience a breakage of some kind. A broken washing machine might mean that you have to smash that glass jar you've been using to save up for your trip to the Caribbean, just in order to wash your clothes. That's if you don't find the right washing machine repair service, of course. If you want a trusted washing machine repair service who are fast, efficient and helpful, go to homeappliancerepairuk.co.uk or call 0800 644 6227 right now. We can't wait to help.